This is a Rainbow Workbook lesson for English First Additional Language, Grade 4, Term 4, Lessons 125 and 126. In this lesson, the topic of focus is celebrating our differences as South Africans. Reading time. Hi everyone! We are going to practice reading together. Remember to follow the story carefully so we can read well together. As we read, think about what you are reading about so that you can discuss the information afterwards. We are going to be reading about people from different countries. First, read the heading and tell your teacher if you recognize any of the flags. Okay, now point to the heading and let's read it together. Celebrating our differences. Super! Let's begin reading. Mandla's school needed to have a fundraiser so they could earn money to buy more computers. Mandla knew that many of his classmates' families were from different countries around the world. They had many special traditions, spoke many different languages, and ate many different types of food. Mandla had a brilliant idea for a fundraiser. He suggested that every student could bring in their favorite dish and hold an ethnic dinner night. He knew parents and members of the community would be glad to pay money in order to try some foods from all over the world. That's a great idea, Mandla's teacher said. Let's call it Dinner Around the World. Mandla brought his favorite meal, chicken and pap. His friend Amina was from Ethiopia, an African country. She brought stewed beef with spices over rice pilaf with Ethiopian bread. Ibrahim from Morocco brought a dish of spice-grilled lamb over white rice with fried eggplant and hummus with pita bread. Juan from Mexico brought chicken fajitas with Spanish rice and tortilla chips with cheese dip. Rajat, whose family was from India, brought in chicken curry over rice with raita, a sauce of yogurt mixed with cucumber. August, a vegetarian, brought a meal with no meat. She brought lentil soup, dinner rolls, and a salad. There was fruit salad and ice cream for dessert. Something enjoyed by all. The fundraiser was a great success. Everyone enjoyed seeing, smelling, and tasting foods from so many different cultures. Well done! Now you can sit with your friends and talk about your favorite foods and what you would take to a Dinner Around the World fundraiser. Wordplay. Hello children! The story we are looking at this week is about different cultures from around the world. Listen to the questions and try and answer them. Point to the map. Can you see the person holding the South African flag? I say, what are the colors of the South African flag? Red, blue, green, black, white, and gold. Lovely! Which country has a cowboy hat as part of their traditional dress? You say, the United States of America has a cowboy hat as part of their traditional dress. Let's try that now. I ask, which country has a cowboy hat as part of their traditional dress? You answer, the United States of America has a cowboy hat as part of their traditional dress. Terrific! What is Mandla's favorite meal? You answer, his favorite meal is chicken and pap. Let's try that. I ask, what is Mandla's favorite meal? You answer, his favorite meal is chicken and pap. Yes, that's right. His favorite meal is chicken and pap. I ask, what did the child who is a vegetarian bring? You answer, she brought lentil soup, rolls, and salad. Now let's try that. I ask, what did the child who is a vegetarian bring? You answer, she brought lentil soup, rolls and salad. Great! I ask, what was the dessert that everyone enjoyed? You answer, the dessert was fruit salad and ice cream. Now let's try that. I ask, what was the dessert that everyone enjoyed? You answer, the dessert was fruit salad and ice cream. All the food was delicious and the fundraiser was a great success. You are all stars. Well done. Sentence play. Let's see if you can join these sentences with one of the following words: and, because, or but. Listen carefully to the sentences and use a word that makes sense. He couldn't speak to her. He doesn't know English. Which word can we use to join these two sentences? Let's use the word but and see if that makes sense. Listen carefully. He couldn't speak to her, but he doesn't know English. Does that make sense? It doesn't make sense. You're right. It doesn't make sense. Let's use the word because and see if that makes sense. Say the sentences with me and join them with the word because. He couldn't speak to her because he doesn't know English. Does that make sense? Yes. Well done. Now let's listen to another two sentences. She doesn't like rice. She enjoyed the meal anyway. Which word should we use to join these sentences? Let's try the word but. Say it with me. She doesn't like rice, but she enjoyed the meal anyway. Yes, that makes sense. Listen again and decide which word to use here. All the food was delicious. The fundraiser was a great success. Should we use because, but, or and to join these two sentences? Let's use the word and. Say it with me. All the food was delicious and the fundraiser was a great success. You are all stars. Well done. Sound play. Are you ready for a listening game? You need to listen very carefully to all the sounds. Let's begin. Listen to these question words. What? When? Why? Which? Where? Can you hear the sound at the beginning? Let me say the words again slowly. Were, at. What? Were, in. When? Were, I. Why? Were, each. Which? Were, where? What sound do you hear at the beginning of these words? Wa. Good. We hear wa. This time, I will say the sounds and you put them together to make the word. Ready? Wa, at. What? Yes. What? Let's try another one. Wa, itch. Which? Good. Which? Listen to some more words with this sound. Repeat them. Why? When? Where? Wheel? White? Can you hear the w sound at the beginning? Let me say the words again slowly and you can repeat each one. Wh, I. Wh, in. Wh, Wh, eel. Wh, it. Well done. Now see if you can hear the wh words in these sentences. He asked me where to find the shoe shop. Did you hear the wh word? Great. Where is the word in that sentence? Listen again. The girl has a white dress. Did you hear the word? White. Lovely. White is the word in that sentence. You've got it. Well done. Playtime. Let's play a fun game. Try not to be holding the ball when I get to the word English, because then you will be out. I will call out all our official languages, and you must pass the ball around the circle as I do this. Remember, when I get to English, the child holding the ball is out. Let's practice what to say. Ready? Zulu, Afrikaans, Sotho, Xhosa. Tshivenda, Ndebele, Setswana, Setsonga. Sepedi, Siswati, English. Good! The person holding the ball is out. Let's try it one more time. Zulu, Afrikaans, Xhosa. Sotho, Tshivenda, Ndebele. Swati, Setsonga, English. Super work, children! That was fun!